Here's one of my machinists is staining titanium on the manual lathe. Yeah, he's staining titanium. You can see the cone is coming, the part is coming. So good. You can check that as well. There is the part. Titanium of titaniums. Titans of Titanium CNC. There's a small shop that we have here, boy. And also one of my machinists here is the good milling machine operator, Ronald Gono. How's it running? Good, man. So how's your work here?
Yeah, my work is very good.
Yeah, okay, perfect. And then there's another one of my machinists. He's the best one, especially for lathe and milling machines. His name is Nathan. You know what I'm saying? He's also turning titanium here. This conical part, a reducer conical part. Hey, it's looking shiny, man. Fucking smooth. You can see even inside it's got a taper as well. Alright, he's also turning titanium. Okay, on this small lathe. Currently the digital results are off today. And then my name is Titan of Titanium. Titan what? Titan of CNC. Yeah. Titan of Titan CNC, man. We are turning titanium as well in Africa. You know, I like Titan of CNC. That's why I'm calling myself now Titan of Titanium. You know, because those guys are great machinists there in America for their CNC machines. I appreciate them. I like their videos. They educate. They make us have hope, and also to be focused as machinists. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Thanks. High five and big up, thumbs up to titanium of CNC machines, man. Thanks, man. Yeah. And we've got our CNC plasma cutter here. Plasma cutter, CNC plasma cutter, and it's a clear cut, CNC plasma cutter, and also an NC press brake, okay, and also a CNC clear cut. So titanium, Titans of CNC, Titans, we are coming behind you. We'll be following you right now. We'll get where you are. We'll buy all those CNC machines, man. I like your style, man.